Welcome to part 2 of the Musco Lighting LED troubleshooting videos. In this video, we will show you how to check the driver and controller. When troubleshooting Musco lights, first verify the outage and pole location. Then find the project number, pole ID, and fixtures located on the pole, all of which will be located on the label inside the enclosure door. For a complete troubleshoot, you will need the following equipment: a 1000 volt megger, and a meter capable of reading up to 600 volts AC and 1000 volts DC. Now you will determine the controller configuration you have. If your controller has 4 slots, it is a quad controller. It may only have 1 slot, in which case it is a 1-channel controller. Other possibilities are a high, medium, low dimming board controller, or you may have no controller at all. Next, call the Musco Control Link Center at 877-347-3319 and ask for technical support. Give the technician the information gathered from the enclosure door. To begin troubleshooting, check fusing. Fuses are located in touch-safe fuse holders, which have blown fuse indicator lights. With power on, a lit indicator on the fuse door depicts blown fuses. Check the 3 LED lights on the face of the driver to see what color they are and whether they are blinking or solid, then relay this information to the tech. The next step is to check the line side voltage. To do this, turn off the disconnect and wait for the driver to power down. This process may take 30 to 45 seconds. When the main voltage error LED stops blinking, the driver will be drained. Next, unplug the input voltage harness located at the top of the driver. The harness has a blue wire with a white strip, a black wire, and a green wire. Set your meter to AC voltage 600V range. Place the meter leads in the harness connector, red to black and black to blue. Turn the disconnect on and confirm the input voltage is correct with the Musco technician, or document for later use. Turn the disconnect back off before plugging the harness back in. Lastly, check the output voltage of the driver. Start by turning off the disconnect, allowing time for the driver to drain down. Unplug the output harness with the red and black wire from the controller, or if there is no controller, unplug the enclosure harness from the pole harness to get a proper reading. Set the meter to read 1000 volts DC. Place the leads of the meter red to red and black to black. Turn disconnect back on. When the driver powers up, the middle LED should light up a continuous solid green. Determine voltage is correct with the Musco technician or document for later use. Voltage reading should be a positive number. A negative reading will indicate a polarity issue. Turn the disconnect back off and let the driver power down completely. All LEDs on the driver face are off. Then plug the output harness back in. There will be a dimming harness with a green, yellow, black, and red wire. Make sure this harness is plugged in and fully seated. If this dimming harness is unplugged, you may not be able to control the driver. A Musco tech should be online for your troubleshoot, as readings you provide may vary the troubleshooting we do. If a Musco tech is unavailable, please document all readings for analysis by a tech when available. Please continue with video 3 to complete your troubleshoot.